Hi everyone, welcome back sa aking YouTube channel na GTR Math Tutorial at Facebook na RJ Enseñado. So for today's video, we will discuss another word problem for civil service exam. So number 46. A swimming pool contains 16,000 liters of water. If water is drained from the pool until it holds exactly 8,000 liters of water, less than the quantity drained away, how many liters of water was drained away? Okay, so ang choices, 0, 4,000, 8,000, and 12,000 liters. Ayan, so say hi. Hello, hello, hello. Ano nga na? Magre-record na siya tayo. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, so sagutan na natin ang ating problem. So ito ay galing sa aking exclusive na FB group. Para lang po ito dun sa mga nag-avail ng math tutorial via Zoom. Ayan, so math tutorial for CSE. So dun ito pinadala. Pinadala ni Miss Maria Tinay. So shout out po sa iyo. Ayan, sasagutan na natin. Yan, sasagutan na natin ang problem. So, medyo madali lang itong problem na ito. Medyo nakakalito lang. Pero pag nagawa na ng equation ay makita nyo na napakasimple lang na sagutan. So, analyze natin. A swimming pool contains 16,000 liters of water. So, 16,000 liters of water. If water is drained from the pool, ayan, so ibig sabihin yung 16,000 liters of water, mababawasan. Kasi may ide-drain tayo no? So 16,000 liters of water, the water is drained from the pool. So ang sinabi, drained from the pool, kaya ibig sabihin nun, magsasubtract tayo. Minus X. Let X yung amount nung yung quantity ng water na drained. Ayan. So ang sabi, kapag din-drain daw, until it holds exactly 8,000 liters of water, 8,000 liters of water less than the quantity drained away. Yung quantity drained away, yun ay yung tinanggal natin. Ito yun, yung X. Quantity drained away, ito yung X. How many liters of water was drained away? So ito yung hinahanap natin. Kapag daw binawasan natin itong 16,000 ng X, equal daw siya sa, ayan, until it holds exactly 8,000 liters of water less than the quantity drained away. Less than the quantity drained away, ibig sabihin nun ay X minus 8,000. Ayan, so nakakalito yung problem pero ang in equation, ito lang po ang ibig sabihin niyan. 16,000 minus X equals X minus 8,000. And then just solve for X. No. So solve for X, pagsamahin natin yung dalawang X, isang negative X, isang positive X. Si negative X ay dalhin natin dito sa positive X. So by adding X to both sides. Add X to both sides. Okay, so we have, so 0 na ito. So we have 16,000 equals X plus X. Ibig sabihin po niyan, may 1 po yan na invisible. 1X plus 1X. So that is equal to 2X minus 8,000. And then next, kailangan si 2X ay 2X. So 2X lang matitira. So tanggalin natin si minus 8,000 by adding 8,000 to both sides. So add tayo ng 8,000 to both sides. So mawawala na ito. 0 na kasi yan. So we have 16,000 plus 8,000. So we have 24,000 equals 2x. And then last step, kailangan x lang ang matira. Ayan. So divide natin both sides by 2. And then yan na po yung ating final answer. The value of x is 24 divided by 2. That is equal to 12. Kopyahin lang natin yung tatlong 0. So we have 12,000 equals x. The correct answer is letter D, 12,000 yung na-drain. Okay? So, okay. So that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan niyo explanation ko para sa ganitong type ng problem. At kung may math question po kayo, ay comment niyo sa aking channel, GTR Math Tutorial, or Facebook na RJ Enseñado. So good luck po sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.